Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to explore Y-leveling and how it can help you customize your experience within a web platform. Let's go to your instance and log in. Go to settings and in the menu on your left look for the Y-leveling option. The first three options will allow you to modify the logos in the menu, reports, and notifications. Some considerations that you should take into account are that the allowed extension is .png and the required dimensions are 449 by 116 pixels. So, to modify them, press Change below each one, select the file you want to incorporate, and that's it. Don't forget to save the changes at the bottom of the page. As you can see on the screen, the menu is already with a new logo. Following, the next option will allow you to change the logo on the login screen. The file must have the same characteristics as the previous ones. It is also possible that you modify the background image of the login screen, as we are going to do in this video. In this case, the required dimensions are 1600 by 900 pixels. Finally, let's select the new favicon and the color palette. The dimensions of the favicon image must be 192 by 192 pixels. In the case of the color palette, you will be able to set any color you need since our platform has a hexadecimal color selector. Let's take a look to the final result, and we hope you found this video helpful.